Alright, today we're going to do a super fast field strip video on a p-64 pistol. I say super fast because there's just not much to it. So take your mag release, pull back on it, take your mag out, 6-round magazine. Oops, right over there. Take your trigger guard, pull it out and to the side so that it rests upon the frame. Can we see that pretty good?
Uh-huh.
Okay, good. And you take your slide, pull it all the way back till it can't go back anymore, lift up, and release. Just like this. There you go. And it's just simple. Pretty straightforward. There's not much to it. Put it back together. After you're done cleaning, just put it like that. You're done. Bam. Put your mag back in and you're good to go. That's it. There you go, guys. I'll get into the specifics and information on this gun in some other video. We'll go out and shoot with it too, but for now, there's your field strip, and that's pretty much it.